Guys, hi. Welcome to Life Spice Journey. As always, thank you for your support and tagging along with me on this journey of discovery. JJ and I took a walking tour that is on Hard Hill Beach. We went from one end of the beach back to our destination. So we went from all the way, as you can see, all the way down there, back here. And guys, I must say that this beach is littered with garbage that's drifted from the ocean. The ocean picked it up and cast it on the beach. So we are in dire need of help to clean up our beaches here and keep it beautified. So guys, if any one of you want to volunteer, you have room and board and meal for free. As long as you come and help us clean up our beaches, we will put you up. We have tents. You can stay on the beach for a week, 2 weeks, and we can clean up every day until we get all this litter off the beach. We don't want the ocean to be polluted. I've been picking up plastics and all sorts of things that are floating around in the ocean. There's stuff coming from Spanish-speaking country. I know because we don't speak Spanish here. And until our upload, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I will see you then. Check out this wonderful kayak that we found. I can't wait to christen it, like we say here in the Bahamas. So guys, till I see you again. Bye. Say hi, JJ. I'm signing out. Say peace, peace, peace.